The MT94 is a multi-wear, multi-threat garment that is part of a protective ensemble. This ensemble provides trained personnel limited protection against vapor, liquid, and FR hazards presented by chemical, biological terrorism incidents and hazardous materials emergencies. It's important to remember that the MT94 is part of an ensemble. The garment alone does not provide full protection. It must be worn with all the ensemble elements in place. This video will demonstrate the correct techniques for donning and doffing the MT94. First, familiarize yourself with the components of the MT94 ensemble. The attached hood guards your head and neck against exposure. There is a strap on the back of the hood for fit adjustment. It has a hook and loop closure. The opening of the hood has a seal that interfaces with the facepiece of your breathing apparatus. Visit lionprotects.com for a listing of breathing apparatus certified for this ensemble. The glove system features an inner and outer glove. The inner glove is attached to the MT94. It provides limited chemical and biological protection to your hands and wrists. The removable outer glove is worn over the inner glove. It offers limited protection from debris and flash fire. It also guards against cuts and abrasions. You must wear both the inner and outer gloves together to comply with NFPA 1994 Class 2 and NFPA 1992 standards. On the front entry model, the MT94's closure system is located on the front of the garment, running vertically from the crotch up to ear level on the hood. It is engaged with a zipper closure. A flap covers the zipper closure and is secured by hook and loop. The zipper must be fully engaged and the storm flap secured to offer full protection. Attached booties provide chemical and biological protection, while your recommended outer boots provide physical protection. The attached booties are worn inside your ensemble certified outer boots. Refer to your technical data package for specific boot models certified to work with the MT94. Integrated suspenders are located inside the garment. They're sewn to the back of the MT94's waistline and engage with thermoplastic clips attached at the waistline in the front. Take-up straps are located at the waist on the outer shell of the MT94. They enable you to adjust the fit of the garment. The sleeve cuffs on the front entry model have adjustable straps with hook and loop closures. The pants cuffs have elastic to securely seal over the outer boots. Before donning the MT94, remove footwear and all personal effects that might damage the garment. For example, pens, badges, jewelry, and watches all have the potential to abrade or puncture the MT94 and compromise its protective performance. Always have other trained personnel available to help you don the garment. Begin by unfastening the zipper and holding the garment open. Step into the MT94 from the back and work your feet all the way into the booties. Gently pull the cuffs of your pants legs up as far as you can and put on your protective boots. Pull the leg wells down over the top of your boots. Check to make sure the elastic is completely over your boots. Pull the garment to your waist. Pull the suspenders over your shoulders and fasten in the couplers. Adjust the suspenders for a snug fit. Don your SCBA or APR face mask and adjust it for a secure fit. Slide the upper half of the MT94 over your shoulders and put your arms into the sleeves and work your fingers all the way into the attached inner gloves. With trained personnel assisting you, extend the attached hood over your head. Adjust the garment facepiece gasket. Look upward with your chin in the air while adjusting the contact points of the facepiece interface gasket for a tight seal. Start under the chin and work around both sides of the facepiece to the top. Ensure that the seal of the hood lays flat against the respirator facepiece. Carefully zip up the front closure to the left side of your face. Use caution not to catch barrier material in the zipper. Squat to expel excess air inside your suit. Fully close the zipper, secure the hook and loop, and then stand up. Trained personnel should assist you with this step. Inspect the hood to facepiece seal to ensure that it is sealed tightly. There should be no gaps between the facepiece and the seal. Don the outer gloves over the inner gloves and into the sleeve well. Tighten wrist adjustment straps. Once the garment is properly fitted, Don the SCBA as recommended by the SCBA manufacturer. Last and most important, to ensure proper donning before entering a hazardous area, you must have a partner inspect your interface areas for proper overlap and to ensure all closures are secured properly. The garment leg cuffs should be no less than 2 inches and not more than 5 inches off the floor. Always wear your full protective ensemble during all phases of the operation. After the emergency operation is completed, you've been through decontamination, and you are in a safe area. It's important to ventilate your body as quickly as possible in order to cool down. However, remove your protective ensemble only when you're certain that you are safely out of the hazardous area. Doffing the ensemble should be performed with trained personnel. When you are ready to remove your ensemble, you should unharness and remove your SCBA, but your facepiece should remain on until the garment is completely doffed. With the assistance of a decon team or trained personnel, begin to remove your ensemble. Disengage the storm flap closure and have trained personnel unzip the garment zipper. Loosen all take-up straps. Remove duty belt and outer gloves. Trained personnel should carefully break the facepiece to hood gasket seal. Then the assistant can separate the seal from the SCBA facepiece 360 degrees around the neck while applying pressure to the facepiece. Then pull the hood portion of the garment over your head and slide the garment upper torso off the shoulders. Remove your arms and hands from the gloves and sleeves. Do not invert the inner gloves. Unfasten the suspenders and invert the lower half of the garment as you slide it down. Remove protective footwear. Then complete the garment removal. Finally, remove the respirator facepiece. To fold and rebag your MT94, close the zipper and storm flap and lay the MT94 flat on its back. Fold the arms across the chest. For removable gloves, lay ring assemblies flat. Be sure the storm flap and zipper are still flat. Fold the hood down onto your chest. Fold the booties inside the leg wells and fold the legs to the chest from the waist. Fold again in half, bottom to top. Be sure there is no trapped air in the MT94. Fold in half again, left to right, with the zipper rolled on the inside for the front entry model. Insert the MT94 into the storage bag. Close the bag.